Today, Grandmother Thearisa came. She moves slowly through the dappled light of the forest floor, her eyes soft with knowing. She has come to ask about well-being. Yes, dear listener, she has come to see Nanda and the newborn just 5 days old. In this tribe, to visit a new mother is more than a habit. It is a ritual of care. Grandmother Thearisa leans in close, her aged face tender with memory. She kisses the air near the little one, then touches, caresses. Yes, dear, filled with love. Her hands, wrinkled with years, hold a gentle authority, the touch of one who has cradled many lives. Grandmother Thearisa is not just any elder. She is a monkey of quiet challenge, one who questions, who leads not by force, but by wisdom. She watches over the group, protects them, especially the children, especially the newborns. But today it is Thearisa who moves among them like a gentle guardian spirit. She goes where love is needed most. And so, Thearisa visits. She inquires, not just with a glance, but with presence. She comes to those who have just given birth to see the mother, to bless the child. And today, she helps. She takes the tiny granddaughter into her arms, so small, so new, and kisses her many times. She whispers blessings only the forest understands. And the little one, this 5-day-old miracle, she wants to be held by Thearisa. Even now, barely aware of the world, she leans into the warmth of age and wisdom. But Thearisa does not just hold and kiss. She stays, she plays, she watches over Nanda's eldest daughter too, and then she teaches. Yes, teaching has already begun. On the ground, the earth still cool from the night, Nanda coaxes her newborn to walk, 5 days old, and already the little legs tremble, push, lift. This is nature's most urgent lesson. Walk quickly, become independent. Life in the wild does not wait. And if you look at the little one's face, oh, it is pure delight, the joy of moving, of discovering space beyond the mother's chest. She stumbles, she wobbles, but she is trying. Yet Nanda never fully lets go. Her hand, her tail, always in contact, because danger is real. Another member of the group might snatch the child. Harm is always a breath away. So between the joy and the fear, Nanda exists a mother suspended between two worlds. And when the little one tires, and she tires quickly, she returns to the chest, to the warmth, to the milk. She drinks, and in that drinking, she is restored. This is the cycle: effort, exhaustion, nourishment, again and again. But for Nanda, this is a time of relentless giving. She cannot rest as before. She must protect, she must feed, she must be vigilant, always. The milk is not just food, it is safety, it is growth, it is connection. It is exhausting, yes, but as a mother, duty is not chosen, it is lived. There is no argument with nature's first priority. The child must thrive. From place to place, the little one clings. Nanda moves, forages, eats, but always with the child attached. When does the child need milk? Always. And Nanda gives always. And yet she also checks, inspects. She turns her daughter gently, looks her over, especially the weaning that is still to come. Is she developing well? Is she strong? And yes, she is. To be 5 days old and already attempting to walk, that is remarkable. That is the will of life insisting itself. Then, a moment of kindness. Fresh milk is brought not from the forest, but from caretakers who watch from a respectful distance. This milk is for Nanda alone, so she may stay strong, so her own milk may flow richly. And as she drinks, others gather near. You can see it in their eyes: thirst, want. But today this nourishment is for her. This small gift is a gift to the newborn too. Night arrives softly. With it, the time to sleep and to choose. The family must decide where will they rest tonight, which tree, which hidden grove. group gathers, murmurs, a collective decision for safety. Tomorrow will be new, another day of walking, feeding, clinging, learning, another day of Nanda's tireless love. And so we leave them, in the darkening forest, a mother, her 5-day-old daughter, a tribe that watches, helps, sometimes threatens, often loves. This is the circle, exhausting, demanding, but filled with moments of pure joy. The first steps, the first embraces, the milk that nourishes both body and bond. Life here is fragile and fierce, and in the heart of Nanda, it is also boundless. Good night, little one. Good night, Nanda. May tomorrow bring you safety, strength, and more steps into this wide, wild world. Good night, little one. Good night, Nanda. May tomorrow bring you safety, strength, and more steps into this wide, wild world.